Hey guys, so recently I discovered I had a leak in one of those peg holes on the seat of my Hobie Revolution 11, and when the water comes in either from here or from the drain holes here, because I leave them open, the water comes in and it's pulling a little bit down here, and the water gets into the crack in one of those peg holes here, and we can see that the crack is about 1 millimeter wide and about maybe 1 centimeter long, and that's sucking the water quite a lot from here. So what I'm going to try today is to weld this crack using a soldering iron and a piece of HDPE plastic from a you know, those plastic barrels, and we'll do that. But first what I need to do is remove those, like I don't know how you call that, black plastic thing here that allows the peg to fit into the hole. I'm gonna put that in and apply outward pressure, and using that I will be able to turn this thing and take that out. So there we go. Yeah, you can see the crack. I'm gonna try to weld that down. I'm going to first try to weld the crack from the inside. So I've already welded the one part of it. You can see the light coming through, and over here is welded so the light doesn't come through as much. So I'm gonna continue and close down that hole here. I've applied too much pressure here, so I'm gonna push back the plastic that went inside. There we go. Right. Reaching the other area from this side is more difficult because I don't have the hatch. The hatch opening is on this side here, and I don't have access to this side. So I will have to weld that from in here. So let's pour some water again. And as you can see, the water doesn't suck as much as before. Wow, it doesn't suck water. And I think I'm done.